Hi everybody. So today you guys will be going to learn about how to deploy your any Node.js application to Heroku environment. So Heroku environment is basically you can host or make your application live, your Node.js application, make it live, and you can access over the internet. For example, you have created any sample applications, something to do kind of applications, or whatever you are doing with any Node.js application you have created. And if you wish to host it free of cost over the internet, so Heroku is the one solution which will help you guys on that. So the limitation which it has, only 5 apps at a time you can create for free. And second thing is that Git is required for that, means you have to push your source code to the Git environment, and Heroku will connect to the Git and pull all the source code, and it will make it live your application. So how to do it in a step by step, I will guide you in a easiest way so that everyone can have. And any questions regarding this, please do ask in the comment section. I will reply to that, and if required I will create a new video around that also. Okay, so let me go to the Heroku website. So as you can see here, this id.heroku.com, here you guys have to first create your account. So you have to do a sign up. So these details you need to provide it. All these details you will provide it, then you will get a free account on this Heroku. So actually I have already registered, so I will log in with that account. Sorry, by mistake some button pressed. Let me try. So now I logged into this one, and see I have already deployed some apps and all, just test apps and all. So 2 apps I have deployed. So what you have to do is you have to go here, and right hand side you can see, right, create a new app. What do you have to do? You have to create a new app. So I will just create a new app called Learn Technology. So I am just creating this app, Learn Technology. So Learn Technology is not available. It is being already used by someone. So I will just try Learn Tech. So Learn Tech is also not there. Learn Tech 1. Okay, Learn Tech 1 I am giving. And create app. So to just create app. It's very simple. You have to just make that's create app. Now next thing, what you have to do, your application, you have to go and see your application. So I will go to my application. So this is training development, yeah. So here you can see this is my application, client ticket, some application which I have created in the React Node.js app. So this is let me open this in Visual Studio Code. So here you can see this is that sample application which I have created. It has server.js file, which is the startup file. So you guys have to understand this one point. See here you have to give the port, process.environment port. So if Heroku is providing one port, it will pick that port, or it will take 8080 port. So this is the thing you have to do it in your application server.js. And your package.json, just have a look to the package.json. See here, package.json. You have to this will start automatically. What it does on deployment, Heroku starts your this npm start command it does. So node server.js will be invoked, and server.js will take care of all those starting and every running on this port and all. Okay, in case this sample app is required, please ping me or comment me. I will provide you that in that comment. I will respond on that comments only. So this is just a simple Express application. You guys can also create if required. I will provide that also. Okay, so now we will move to the GitHub part. So I have this GitHub account. You can see I have created this test1 project, and I have created one project called test2 also. Test2, you can see this is the same project. I pushed it here also, same project basically which you have seen here. You can see server.js. I will open. See, this is the same project. Now, so I am not going to teach you how to push or pull project to Git and all. That will be, I will take care in another section, or you guys might be knowing that also. That is very easy. You can do it through Git bash or whatever terminal you are using, Git SCM or anything, Git window. So that is another video I will take care. If required, you can put it in the comment section. I will take care of that also in another video. Now, so it is in this Git server. Now what you have to do, you have to go here in this Heroku, and you can use CLI also. You can use CLI also, or you can directly connect to GitHub also. Okay, so if you are going to use CLI, you can use this CLI. Okay, you can download this CLI and install it. So I will just show you. I have already installed this CLI in my system, so I am not downloading anything. You can see Heroku CLI, I have installed it. Okay, so but I will not, right now I will not use Heroku CLI. I will go in a very easiest way. So I will just click here, Git connect to GitHub. So see, it is connected to my GitHub. I have provided already those details. So you can also provide your details and all, your Git details. So my Git is like github.com Pratap Vijay Singh. Okay, so it is so which repository I want to test2 is my repository, right? Test2, where in this repository only my source code is there. So test2. So test2, you can see it is coming, or I can just do a search also. So I am searching with this name, it founds, and then here connect button is coming. I have to click on this connect button. So I clicked on this connect button, and you just see here it is which branch? Main branch. Just see main branch. So only one branch is there which name is main. In your case it might be master branch also. So I have given the main branch, so I will deploy this branch. So you just notice what will happen here. So I just clicked on this deploy branch. Now it has pulled the source code and it is trying to do npm install. See, installing all the dependencies automatically. Heroku is doing everything. We don't have to do anything. Heroku will take care of all the dependencies, installation, everything. Heroku will take care. So it will take a while. It may take, depends on your complexity of the application, how many node modules you are using and what type of application. So based on that, it will take time of installing a dependency. So you can see now it is running build. Now your build is optimizing the production build, right? So all those things it is doing. And so just wait for a few more seconds. It will your site will become up and running, and it will be live, and it will be accessible over the internet. Yeah, so now see, now it is now caching the build and pruning the dev dependencies, because in production mode these dev dependencies are not required. So if any dev dependencies are there, it will prune those dev dependencies, or it will remove those dev dependencies. So it is in the last phase now. So see, build succeeded message came. Now it is compressing and after compressing it will make your site up and running. Once compressing is done, your site will be available. So just wait for a few more seconds. So now see, now your site is up and running, learntech1.herokuapp.com. So loading the output, and see here message came, your app was successfully deployed. Now here is a view. You can either click a view, it will directly open a tab and it will land to your website page. So currently my this has one login page which I have created in this React app. So you can see here, so my app is now up and running, and it is also, so it's a very simple and easiest way to do those things and all. So thanks everyone for watching this video to learning about this deployment, free deployments of your Node.js application on the Heroku app. Any doubts, any clarification, please guys comment me on the comment section. I will promise that I will respond to your queries. And see, this is here what you guys have learned, that how easily you guys can deploy any app to Heroku server. But if it is during deployment and it is giving any exception, any error, then how you will debug? So I will take care those debugging thing, viewing the logs and all those things in the next section of the video. So please subscribe my channel, and please share as many as to your friends and all, so that I can create new videos for these kind of useful videos for you, so that you guys can understand better way of coding and deployment and making it live, those apps. So thanks everyone for watching this. Thank you.